want to just like very random shape.
Good afternoon. My name is Pamela Friction. The name of my business is Fine Attitude. Most of my products are made out of wood, and on that wood we have all types of art painted on it. Hand painted, everything is hand painted. We have here like benches, ordinary benches, but all handmade by me and also hand painted. We have like concrete pots, and these concrete pots are transformed with beautiful paintings, all handmade. We have a sign here, also made out of wood. We have this chest, right? This chest is made out of wood and it's also hand painted to give it that fine attitude, you know. My whole purpose is to bring back the old time days, right, where people reminisce of the old days and bring a memory of what life used to be when life was simple and sweet.
Hi, my name is Roland Warner. My company's name is Iguana Leathercraft and Art. Alright, we work with genuine leather. Everything is handmade, hand designed, custom made. We do a variety of work: sandals, leather bags, wallets, pouches, caps and belts. Here, everything we work with fabric and leather combined, also metal and leather combined, wood and leather combined, total local.
I'm Joanne from Joglo Designs, and also with me there on my table here I have some work by Selena's Just For You. We specialize in handcrafted, homemade jewelry. I also do upcycled paper craft, like what I have in my hand here now. This is our Christmas presentation. This is made from newspaper, and a lot of the stuff on my table is made from upcycled paper. I also do leather work, I do natural stuff, and you can get beautiful wirework jewelry here. Everything here is handcrafted. The jewelry you see that has wirework, it's done without jigs, it is just straight handwork. Beautiful pieces that last for a while. Your Christmas, you can buy it today, put it up for the season and have it for next season if you wish. This is Joanne's from Joglo Designs.
Alright, my name is Roland Rock. I am from Right Body Products. My products are natural products that are made from natural things like breadfruit, green bananas, shea butter, coconut oil, just a variety of different natural products that sometimes some stuff that they cook with. I know. Even have breadfruit soap. I have soaps, I have creams, I have deodorant, I have hair cream, I have a body cream, I have soaps, the natural soaps. The base of the soap is shea butter, palm oil and coconut oil, and then I blend the other ingredients and add to the soap. So if you see a soap with green bananas or breadfruit or pawpaw, it's the raw thing that is added, and the entire thing with skin, everything that is blended and added to the soup.
bags and things. Also of the Trinidad and Tobago Craft Entrepreneur Network. Today we are on the Brain Lara Promenade with our early bird Christmas market. We had 3 days of excellent craft on display and sales today. We had a variety of only total local craft items. So this is some of what we have, but this is my personal work here where I do batik, tie-dye, Deborah does different bags. You name it, we do bags, purses, totes, a wide variety of stuff just for you to take away Trinidad and Tobago branded items so that you can enjoy.